Hello children. Today we will discuss about a family. Children, what is a family? Yes, you are right. Mother, father, children living together is a family. If a family consists of 4 members, then it is called as nuclear family or small family. If grandparents, uncle, aunt also living along with them, then it is called as joint family. Children, tell me who will take care of you in your family? Yes, parents. Yes, they will provide you everything you needed. When they grew old, it will be the responsibility of the children to take care of them. We are going to read a lesson, Tattered Blanket. This means the blanket which is torn. It resembles the broken family system. Before entering into the lesson, let us know something about the author, Kamala Das. She is an internationally known poet, short story writer, and novelist. She received many awards for her literary work. Some of them are Asian Poetry Prize, Kent Award for Asian Countries, Asian World Prize, Sahitya Akademi Award, and Weiler Verma Award. Right. Children, just look into this picture from the textbook. In this lesson, a son named Gopi visits his old mother after a long time. His poor old mother, unable to recognize him. Kamala, her eldest daughter, says that their mother is suffering from loss of memory due to old age. Kamala also complains that her brother did not have any concern about his old mother. She says that he is ignoring his responsibility. Children, let us see in this lesson whether she recognizes him or not and what is Gopi's response towards his sister's complaint on him. Let us get into the new words which we come across in this part of the lesson. Glossary: futile, unsuccessful; huddled, held arms and legs close because of fear or cold; reluctantly, not willing to do something; screwing up, narrowing the eyes to look more carefully; mumbling, speaking unclearly and quietly. Now, we will get into the reading the text. Listen carefully. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car and got down at the gate, his mother, who was laying in an armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, she said. Somebody in a car. Kamala, her elder daughter, a widow, who was sitting huddled up in Athena on the veranda, her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, get up reluctantly, walked slowly to the gate and screwing up her eyes peered into the darkness. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in a grating voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? Kamala, who is it? His mother asked loudly from the veranda. Gopi, the man said. There was a meeting in Tiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in my car in my way back. Who? Kamala, who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala, Gopi's eldest sister, asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. Amma, it's me, Gopi, he said again. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me. Gopi? Kamala, I cannot believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody, Gopi's sister explained. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asked me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you. Vimala and kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't returned for a year? Poor thing. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Why don't you ask Vimala to write? Or she doesn't she get any time to? What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? I told you it's Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. I mean, what's his wife's name? Don't you say you haven't forgot her name too. Don't you remember Vimala, District Collector Nambia's eldest daughter? Gopi's sister said. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? There was. He writes every day. It's time to discuss some vocabulary from the text. Antonyms. Observe this sentence from the text. The first one. Why this sudden unexpected visit? In this sentence, the antonym or opposite of the sudden is gradual and unexpected is expected. The second one, Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow, who was sitting huddled up on Thina on the veranda. Here in this sentence, antonym of eldest is youngest. Third one, her mother asked loudly from the veranda. The antonym of loudly is quietly. Children, let us now get into the comprehension part, that is question and answer. See the first question. Why didn't the mother recognize Gopi? Answer for this question is Gopi's mother failed to recognize her son because she was suffering from loss of memory as she grew old. Now second one. What is meant by the expression the tattered blanket? The answer of this question is the tattered blanket means an old torn sheet of cloth. Here in this lesson, it suggests a broken family system. That's it.